Welcome back, ghouls and ghoulies. Let's get started. This is the mechanism that is going to turn our prop back and forth. It's really nice. It's an old fan. Let's continue. We have to put the skull on it, see what it looks like. Okay, good. It's leaning the wrong way, so we're going to bend it and cut it. Looks more natural. Put some ice or a spray bottle of water to stiffen up those joints once you cut them, and bend them, I should say. Okay, so we put the skull back on it. We light it up. Looks good. It's a little stiff. It's not natural, so we're going to bend it just a little bit forward. Heat gun, there it is. That's what it looks like. Next thing, we realize that the shoulders are too stiff, so we're going to put an extra bend on the right shoulder and on the left shoulder. Looks good. And let's just step back and take a look. Looks very natural. We got to put some padding on those shoulders and the arms, the beginning of the arms, and that's some bubble wrap. We put on a sheet, see what it looks like. And we found this on an old Ghoul. We just kept it around all these years. I mean, long time ago. Get some random paint on there and throw in some yellow or fluorescent yellow or green and some orange. Now we're ready to go. We're going to plug this thing in and see what it looks like. Not bad. It's a very quick, very inexpensive, if you have all the parts. What else can we talk about? Oh yeah, we are going to now put this in its final resting place. Let's go to the graveyard, and that's what it's going to look like. Now, these things look a lot better at night, so just keep that in mind. I want to thank you for listening. If you have any comments, what the heck, let us know what you think. And did I say thanks for listening? I meant thanks for watching. Take care.